guys, in this video, my brother and I are going to show you how to make aroma stone. Materials and tools that we are going to use are Malaysia Clay Art 2000 mesh 98% white plaster of Paris silicone mold of your choice, essential oil, fox leather cord, a digital scale, acrylic paint, and a 500 ml mixing cup. The suggested ratio are 100 gram to 35 gram water. If you think that it dries up too quickly, you can mix 100 gram powder to the 50 gram water. Stir until well mixed. Add some black acrylic paint and stir lightly to create marble effect. Once it's ready, pour the mixture into the mold. Tap the mold a few times to encourage air bubbles to come to the surface and pops. Then mix the extra mixture with purple pro powder and pour it into the mold. Leave it for 1 to 2 hours or until fully dried. Plaster of Paris can be easily demolded from silicone mold. You can use sandpaper to smoothen any rough edges. You can leave it as is or use dried flowers to decorate the aroma stone. Tie the fox leather cord so that you can hang it anywhere you like. Pick essential oil of your choice and drop a few drops and we are done. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye!